For me to get to my grandparents' house, we need to walk for a while, and while walking, we're going to see some beautiful things, so enjoy. Kaya ba? Finally arrived. So we were greeted with some bananas and mangoes, and the mango was the tastiest mango that I have ever had. I just woke up and I kind of have not a very long day, but a long day ahead of me. I'm just going to make the bed and then I'm gonna see you. I made the bed, now I'm going to change into my clothes. It is so beautiful. So this is our setup, and we're gonna go and read like a bat. It's currently raining right now, and I think the plan of me going to my home will be delayed. So yeah, let's see. So I have been informed that it is time for us to go, so they're just packing. Okay, so now I'm officially going to get changed, and this is my dress. Obviously, the urge for me to actually show my face is like up here, literally up here. But maybe after 6 months or something. Bye bye. Way to party. I'm not carrying like anything except for the stove bag. This type of moss that looks so pretty. Farming is literally a lot more harder than just like going downwards. Yes.